This how to 1 minute will show you how to remove OBJ in a box in WordPress. So as you can see after title here is a OBJ box. Now let's see how you can remove this OBJ. Go to your WordPress dashboard and now you have to edit the specific post or page, and all you have to need just delete the title where your OBJ box is showing up. So select your whole title and remove it. Then all you have to need just retype the title. Don't copy and paste the title, just type the title here again and click on update, and that's how you'll be able to remove the OBJ text box in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.